Hi there, and welcome to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to continue on our lesson on solving systems of equations by elimination. Now, we saw something kind of cool in exercise number 1 where you could take an equation and multiply it by any number. And if you multiply all parts of that equation by the same number, it results in an equation that's true. Now we're going to try something a little bit different in this exercise, where it says create two equations that are true. Use the blank spaces below to choose numbers you'd like to use. So we can create any two equations. So if you want to create your own two equations and I'll create my two, that's fine. If you want to just follow along here, that's cool as well. So my two equations, well, I like the number 4 and I like the number 28, which happens to be my birthday, 4/28, April 28th. And what is 4 plus 28 going to equal? That's going to be 32. All right. And now we could think of any other equation we want, and we could think of large numbers or small numbers. Let's try 100 plus 7. And 100 plus 7 will give us 107. Again, you could have thought of any two equations to fill in these blanks. You could even choose decimals, negative numbers, or fractions, whichever you prefer, and we'll get the same idea of an answer, okay? So now it wants you to add these two equations together. So I'm going to add just straight down. I'm going to have 4. I'm going to put a plus sign here. So I'm going to do 4 plus 100, and I'm going to get 104 plus plus. So positive 28, positive 7 is going to give me positive 35. Bring down my equal sign so it's all lined up. And 32 plus 107 is going to give me 139. And is the resulting equation true? Is 104 plus 35 equal to 139? And the answer is yes. And now I want you to pause this video, or at the end of this video, just before you go on to the next one, to really pick an equation on your own, two equations, and add those two equations together and see if the resulting equations equal. And I guarantee you that every single time you add two equations that are equal together, the result is going to be equal. And that's what Euclid said. He said up here, if equals be added to equals, or equations added to equations, the result are equations that are equal. Pretty cool stuff to be said in 300 BCE. So any two equations that are true, when added together, will result in a true equation. If this video is interesting to you, to get started with our real stuff in solving systems of equations in our next exercise, give this video a thumbs up. Now you're ready for exercise number 3. We're going to take a look at an actual system of equation and solve it by elimination, using the ideas you learned in exercises numbers 1 and 2. Good luck.